It finally happened! The thing we've all been waiting for, streaming to YouTube and Twitch directly from your MetaQuest. No PC, no phone. Just fire up the app on MetaQuest and you're live with your VR content on YouTube or Twitch. To do this, open BeamXR Live and choose the service you want to connect. Right now, it supports YouTube and Twitch. The devs say more streaming services are coming soon. Registration is super simple. Then pick Go Live. Add a title for your stream. If you're streaming a game, type its name, and if it's in the game database, select it from the list. Next, choose your video size. Heads up, it's early access, so larger resolutions may be a bit unstable. There's also a fun option to stream as your Meta avatar. Not many extra settings yet, but it's perfect for quick presentations or sharing updates. If you want live chat, set your stream visibility to public. Private streams won't let live chat work properly. Now the part everyone cares about, streaming your actual VR apps and games inside the MetaQuest. You can pick exactly what to broadcast, a browser window or other 2D flat apps. You'll see a list of what's already running. If you want the full VR environment, choose the first option in the list. Wait for the status panel to appear. That's your signal you're live. Whatever's on your screen is what your viewers are seeing right now. So jump into your game and show everything in real time. That's it. So simple. I'm thrilled this is finally here. Let's go live and celebrate together. See you in the metaverse.